What a cracking morning to do a handover video on this beautiful 233 classic formula. This one's off to Jason in Karratha, and it is absolutely set up for some great fishing up there in northern WA. Jason first came to us, he was finding he was doing really long runs out to the outer reef there off Karratha and some incredible country to explore out there. He needed some fuel range and he needed a much bigger boat that's capable to put up with those sea breezes they get over there in Western Australia. The 6 metre looked really good for him and he was really close to pulling the trigger on that. But then when he weighed up his options, the formula just seemed like a better fit for him and he's gone to the next level with the Formula 233. Jason decided to go for a really cool storm grey side on this boat, as well as a storm grey wave breaker. They get a lot of red dust over there in the west, and also the bore water's quite harsh they wash the boats with, so I think it'll make it wear really nicely out there in the west. It's not uncommon for guys over there in Western Australia to do 100, 150 kilometres before they even get to the outer reefs where they want to dive and fish. So fuel economy and fuel capacity was a massive factor that Jason was looking for. The Formula 233 comes standard with a 420 litre fuel tank under the floor, and paired with a pair of Suzuki 200 on the back, this thing's got a massive fuel range. We're getting around 1.2 kilometres per litre, running at 3,500 RPM. We offer two different styles for the roof of our Formula 233. Hardtop, which is fantastic down south when you're in the colder southern states. But if you're living up north, you can't beat a bimini with the clears. This gives you nice sun protection, but it gives you the option to get some airflow through, open up these zips, and you get plenty of airflow in those hot days. Does a lot for saving the weight as well. It's going to be around 100 kilos lighter than a hardtop version of this boat, and it helps with the budget too. It's going to come in around 10 grand cheaper than a hardtop. Up at the business end, we've got an Evo 3 Simrad 16-inch screen. We've got two different transducers in this one. We've got our traditional high-wide, which is a 1 kilowatt chirp transducer. This is great for your bottom fishing. It's going to get you a nice bottom reading out to around that sort of 300 metre mark. We've got incredible bottom picture with this one, up to about 45 knots. We've still got a really good clear bottom picture. That's due to the install and the shape of the formula keel. It's got a really clean keel with no strakes in the way of the transducer, so it doesn't get any dirty water on it. So it gives you a really clean picture. Something that Jason and a lot of the Western Australian guys do is look for wonky holes and reef and rubble out wide in the middle of the flats. So we've got a 3-in-1 side scan transducer mounted on the transom. This gives us a picture out either side of the hull, and it's really good. It'll pick up reef out to one side and helps you find individual fish. This also has a down scan, again gives you the shading, and it's really good to pick up detail, find weed, find different rocky bottoms whether you're diving or fishing. Something that's really different on this Formula 233 is we haven't put a bait tank in this boat. Normally we'd have a window and a plumbed bait tank, but live bait fishing is not something that Jason does up there in Karratha. For him, it was much more important to have a freshwater washdown. So what we've done is we've used the live bait tank as a holding tank. So when you're on land, you can use your hose, fill that up. It's going to fit about 80, 90 litres of fresh water in it. We've got 2 bungs in there, you seal that off, and we've got a freshwater deck hose over on this side. So you turn the switch on up there and you've got a fresh wash down to have a shower after a dive or wash down your gear. On the other side, we've got a standard Jabsco Hot Shot deck wash, so that's a standard saltwater wash down pump. Jason, congratulations on this beautiful 233. I can't wait to see what you get up to over in Karratha with this epic boat.